Oh, what's up YouTube? How's it going? I'm back again for another random video. So I thought I'd make this into a YouTube video. You know, my channel's random, and why not? I paid 50 bucks for this at Canadian Tire from $44.99 on from I think $69.99. I mean, these are good shelves, but I would not pay 75 bucks for them. It's basically, you know, recycled plastic. Anyway, this shelf is probably the exact same as this one. I got another one in the garage. So this is my third certified shelf from Canadian Tire. I'm pretty sure the one in the garage though is a little bit bigger and it's from Costco. I could be wrong, but the design looks a little different. But I'm almost positive. Okay, it's actually not the same as the one in here. Whatever. Who cares? It's all the same. I'm sure it's the same size. So it's a certified shelf, 36 by 18 by 21 inches. That's pretty freaking tall. Give me the freaking laser beam. Super simple to build. The most money I've ever spent on plastic. But these are durable as shiznay. And I've had these for years. Every few years I tend to buy them. They don't bow or anything. They actually, you know, I got my safe, my tools. I got some heavy shit on here. But obviously I put my washer fluids and all my liquids at the bottom. You don't want these to bow too bad. Bo and Luke Duke, you know what I'm talking about? Dukes of Hazzard. Oh! Of course. I need something crazy to open that. Good thing for Stanley. Good old Stanley Ipkiss, you know, the mask. All these movie references. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Wabba-ja! Took care of that real quick. 2 blades at a time. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of nice. Let's put that back. Jeez. Okay. Right. So, you know, they're a little wobbly. Pretty sure they come with a unit to stick to the wall. It doesn't really matter which one's at the bottom. They're all pretty much the same crap, you know. You stack them and away you go. And away she goes. Cool. Pretty sure this one's for the bottom. Yeah, the bottom ones are a little bit different. So this will be the base. This is the base. The base. Let me kick in that base. Oh nay. Of course my dumbass didn't read the instructions, so there's probably a certain way to do this. What do you want to tell me? So the cup. Oh, okay. Oh, these are for the top. Okay, so these are for the top. Whoops. Whoopsies. Mortal Kombat. Whoopsies. Hey, I'm down here. Where did it go? I didn't think I could be so funny putting this together. So we got the little stacks on stacks on stacks. Neat little thingies. Not sure how they figure this out here. Tubes to do the shelves. So that's kind of nice. Boom! Alright YouTube, there it is. Second shelf built. This is my third big shelf. Like I was saying, I got one in the garage. Pretty much identical. They changed the design a little bit on them. These come with little caps for the top. They didn't come on my last two, but my one in the garage is probably from Costco. And this one's from Canadian Tire years ago. They both feel sturdy. Like heavy duty, good quality, but they wobble. But whatever. I mean, if you want to go the extra mile and pin it to your wall. Like this is the mechanical room and the walls are open, so there's 2x4 right there. You want to get some zip ties, whatever, or some chains, aluminum bending crap, whatever, and then just zip it right to the back of the 2x4. You could do that. But yeah, it's nice, easy to take apart and put together. And I mean, they're super light, so I'm going to snap my fingers one more time. We're going to show you what it looks like when it's all done, alright? Boom! There you have it, guys. Was bored on a Sunday. Now it became a fun day. Made some more room. And, you know, it's a lot more better to find shit and a lot more organized and easier to walk around all this shit in here. So, pick up some nice storage shelves. $50 each at Crafty Tire on sale right now. I don't know what else to say. I think that's pretty neat. Got the wife's shit, got my shit, we're good to go, rock on. Thanks so much guys for watching. Please like and subscribe for more random videos as I try to upload not so often. And I'll talk to you real soon. Bye for now.